Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
If your Realme C21y boots into safe mode, start with a normal restart. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to trigger a restart. Wait until the screen goes black and the Realme logo appears again. If a normal restart does not work, press power and volume down together for 10 seconds. Release when the phone reboots and check for safe mode text in the lower corner. Most of the time, restarting clears safe mode without any data loss. Safe mode often appears because the volume buttons are stuck during boot. Check volume down and volume up for dirt or obstruction that holds them pressed. Clean around the buttons with compressed air or a soft brush for 30 seconds. Remove any case, SIM tray tools, or USB accessories before restarting the device. Also disconnect chargers and Bluetooth accessories before you reboot to avoid triggering alternate boot paths. After cleaning and removing accessories, restart the phone to see if normal mode returns. If restarting and cleaning buttons fail, use safe mode for troubleshooting apps. While in safe mode, uninstall recently installed or updated apps that may cause the problem. If uninstalling apps does not help, back up your photos, contacts, and files immediately. Then perform a factory reset from settings to restore default system behavior and remove persistent software faults. If hardware button faults continue after cleaning, contact Realme support or visit a service center for inspection and repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.